Have you ever wondered what it would be like to touch a black hole? I mean, could you just reach out and poke it? It sounds like a simple question, but the answer takes us on an incredible journey to the very edge of physics and reality itself. So, let's explore this cosmic mystery together. Why can't we touch a black hole? First, let's get one thing straight. A black hole isn't a solid object like a planet or a star you could land on. It's a region of space-time where gravity is so incredibly strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. The surface you might imagine touching is actually an invisible boundary called the event horizon. This isn't a physical surface. It's the point of no return. Once you cross it, there's no coming back. So, what happens as you get closer? Long before you even reach the event horizon, you'd encounter some serious problems. The immense gravitational pull of the black hole would be much stronger on the parts of your body closer to it than the parts farther away. For example, if you were falling in feet first, the gravity on your feet would be thousands or even millions of times stronger than the gravity on your head. This massive difference in gravitational force would stretch you out like a piece of spaghetti. Scientists have a wonderfully descriptive name for this process: spaghettification. It's not a gentle stretch either. Your body would be torn apart, atom by atom, creating a long, thin stream of matter spiraling into the black hole. So, in a very real sense, you can't touch a black hole because you'd be completely disintegrated before you ever got close. But let's say, for the sake of science fiction, you had an indestructible spaceship and a suit that could withstand these tidal forces. You cruise toward the event horizon. What would you touch? Again, the event horizon is not a solid wall. It's a one-way door in space-time. As you pass through it, you wouldn't feel a bump or hit anything. From your perspective, you'd just continue falling. However, for anyone watching you from a safe distance, things would look very different. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, intense gravity warps time. As you approach the black hole, your friend watching through a telescope would see your clock ticking slower and slower. You'd appear to move in slow motion, getting dimmer and redder as the light from you struggles to escape the gravity. You would seem to freeze just outside the event horizon, fading away over an infinite amount of time, never actually crossing it from their point of view. But from your perspective, you've already crossed over and are on your way to the center. Weird, right? Once inside the event horizon, all paths lead to one place, the singularity. This is the heart of the black hole, a point of supposedly infinite density where all its mass is crushed into an impossibly tiny space. Our current laws of physics break down here, so we don't know exactly what it is, but we know that whatever you were before, person, a spaceship, a stream of atoms, you would be crushed into this singularity, becoming part of the black hole's mass. So, to sum it all up, you can't touch a black hole because it doesn't have a solid surface to touch. You would be torn apart by spaghettification long before you got close. And even if you could survive that, the event horizon is just a point of no return, not a physical barrier. Crossing it leads to an inevitable and final journey to the singularity, where you'd be crushed out of existence as we know it. Black holes are truly one of the most extreme and fascinating objects in the universe. They push the limits of our understanding and remind us just how wild the cosmos can be. What other cosmic questions are on your mind? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into space. See you next time.